Today you are going to learn how Amazon FBA online arbitrage works. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I've helped a lot of people make money with Amazon. Over $7.5 million in revenue last year in 2024 for the students that I actually track. And if you go to my Instagram, you click on clients right there, you can see the people that I helped earn it to $2 million a year, Floyd to $15,000 in 90 days, Yasmani made $157,000 last month. Ton of them, like, just check it out, right? So I'm just going to show you, okay, how online arbitrage works, tell you what it is, and teach you how you can get started, okay? So pretty much what online arbitrage is, it's a business model where you buy products on daily, like on everyday's website, right? Everyday website like Walmart.com, Nike.com, okay? And you resell them on Amazon for a profit. So let's just look at an example and so I can show you how to actually work this business model. So let's just go to Nike.com, right? Or like you can do it really on any website, right? So you go to Nike.com. You find a product that is usually like you're going to look for products that are on sale, and there's no sale going on today, of course. So let's look at Dick's Sporting Goods, okay? These videos are not scripted. I'm literally like just running you through this thing, all right? So you go to a website, you look at the sales. So we have a couple of Stanley Cup on sale. We can check. Sometimes they're not too good. But let's look at something that, so some Nike Dunks maybe. Let's just look at the Stanley Cup, right? Because Stanley Cup sells really fast. We have them on sale right now, $32.99, but these are new colors. So what you do is you go to Amazon and you actually look for this product. And so these are Stanley Cup, like for the US Stanley Cup, right? Which are these, here we go. And what you want to do pretty much is find the colorway, so find the exact product, okay, that you have right there on sale. And so we have a couple of colors, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tool that is called Keepa, right, to actually look through the data. So I'm going to go to the variations. This is what they are called, all these colors, right? These are variations on Amazon. And I'm going to look at what variation Amazon is actually not selling. Really easy to do. Just 2 clicks, going here, boom, no value. And this way I have the variations that Amazon is not selling. So we actually have one right there that is selling for $50. And I'm wondering if we can actually find it on Dick's Sporting Goods. So let's look for that. Stanley Cup 20 us. And I've never seen, oh, here we go. We got the striped one. Here we go. We have 2 we don't have the one that we want because this one is white and green. And we want the white and blue one. But we have other ones that we can look at. I mean, they're not going to be good. So, you know what? Let's just look at this one. And that's the process. The first product that you're going to look at is probably not going to be profitable, right? But you're going to iterate through this process and actually find the product that you are looking for. So this is the one that we were looking for, right? So we can literally get it for $28.50 on Academy and sell it on Amazon. You can see it's the same exact product. Sell it on Amazon. Right now it sells on Amazon. If you were to actually look at it, it sells on Amazon for $50.87. So if we actually look at it, right, we get it at $28.50. We can actually get it cheaper than that, right? But if we get it at $28.50, and if we use this tool to calculate our profit, that is called Seller Amp, we are going to make $8.55 profit, and it sells more than 1,000 times a month. That's how online arbitrage is. That's how it works. You just buy random products, not random products, but you just need to do some product research, right? You just buy products from everyday's website, like Dick's Sporting Goods, and you see I was able to find a product really, really fast, right? By digging a little bit and make, like this product, literally you can make $8,000 profit. Of course, not just you, right? It sells over $1,000 a month, but this product make $8,000 a month in profit, more or less, if you sell it at this price. Right? So you can share the sales with these guys. You don't need to create your own product, pay for marketing, like pay for ads, PPC, lose a lot of money. You go for products that are already selling. It's as simple as that. Okay? So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.